The African Transformation Movement plans to withdraw its motion of no confidence in President Cyril Ramaphosa, scheduled for Wednesday. This after the Western Cape Division of the High Court struck the ATM's urgent application from the roll.
Now, the party wanted the court to declare the Speaker's refusal of a secret ballot invalid and inconsistent with the Constitution. But the court ruled the urgency in this matter had been created by the ATM and it could have brought its application earlier. Lindsay Dentlinger reports.
This is the second time the African Transformation Movement approached the court in an attempt to force a secret ballot in its motion of no confidence in President Cyril Ramaphosa. But the Speaker argued it could have done so when she first announced on the 16th of February the ballot would be held in the open.
So the ATM had a remedy at its disposal on the 17th of February, the day after receiving the decision. It could have launched this application. It could have sought to review and set aside the decision of the 16th of February. It could have done so on an urgent basis, a semi-urgent basis, or an ordinary basis. But it does not do so. Instead, the ATM addresses another letter to the Speaker.
The ATM, however, argued it was waiting for a date for the debate to be announced first.
We would submit that the ATM did the responsible thing. That, look, you've made a mistake. You've deviated from ATM 1, from the SCA judgment, just 3 months ago. Please reconsider, review your decision, and let's move forward in a lawful manner.
The judge, however, said the application appeared lopsided and handicapped because other political parties had not expressed their views on the matter. She added the court could not be expected to arrive at a decision on such a complex matter in less than 48 hours.
In the circumstances, I'm not persuaded that this urgency is not self-created. It is self-created. There's no reasonable, no rational explanation as to why it could not have been brought earlier. The date for the holding of the motion in it is not a sufficient explanation and sufficient reason not to have brought this application earlier. And therefore, the matter is then struck from the roll due to the self-created urgency on the part of the applicant.
The ATM says it will now be writing to the Speaker to withdraw its motion. Lindsay Dentlinger, Cape Town.